I think that what I really love is to just make stories. One of the most enjoyable ways for me to make a story is to really focus on real life, real people, and that's why I'm in documentaries. One of the projects that really took a long time to produce but was so much fun is my fireworks documentary. Because of COVID, the Dutch government actually banned fireworks. These are the types of projects that are really close to my heart because it tells both sides of the story. And me personally, I'm not interested in giving you my opinion on fireworks. The film itself, in the end, is more a mix between four stories that I hope will tell you everything you need to know about the fireworks tradition in the Netherlands, but moreover, will hopefully give you a better understanding of what's going on. And I think that if we understand different opinions better, then it's easier for us to come up with solutions that work for everyone. We shot on the 31st of December into the night of the 1st of January, and we only had a few hours of sleep, and then we needed to start editing because we were broadcasting our documentary on January 4th. So we had 3 days of brutal offline editing to get to a point where there was a 45-minute documentary that was actually good. So in the night from the 3rd and the 4th, I spent a whole night color grading my own film, which was a challenge. And well, that's one of the reasons why I'm so glad that we now have the ASUS ProArt PA32 UCX at the office, because out of the box, it's calibrated to basically have a monitor that's good enough to not only do SDR grading, but you can now dabble in HDR grading as well, and it's 4K. It may seem so simple, a good monitor, but if you can't judge your content correctly and you're not sure what you're doing, then basically most of your effort and all the long hours that you spend on a particular project kind of get wasted in that last bit. So I would just hugely recommend a monitor like this because it gives you the tools and the security to basically also focus on other things. And with other things, I mean the story you want to tell.